Welcome to Autism Mathematics. I'm still on the series Basic Rules of Differentiation. In my previous video, I did something on the rule number 5. So we are now on rule number 6, which is called Quotient rule. So let's begin. If y is equal to u over v, where u and v are all functions of x, and they are all differentiable, that you can differentiate them. And if you want to find the derivative dy dx, then this is the formula. I mean the denominator times the derivative of the numerator minus the numerator times the derivative of the denominator. Then you square the denominator. That is all. Now let me illustrate this with an example. Differentiate the following with respect to x. Now, as usual, I'm going to do question 1 and 2. So you work out question 3 and then put your answer at the comment section. Okay, now let's begin. So y is equal to x over 2x squared plus 1. So here you cannot interchange u and v. U is the function at the numerator and then v is the function at the denominator. So let u be x and then v be 2x squared plus 1. So let's find du dx. Du dx is equal to 1 and then dv dx, that is, you bring the power forward and then reduce the power by 1, so which is 4x. Okay, so dy dx now becomes, that's v du dx minus u dv dx divided by v squared. So this is equal to, the function v is 2x squared plus 1 times du dx is 1 minus the function u is x times dv dx, which is 4x, over 2x squared plus 1 all squared. So when we simplify, dy dx then becomes, so let's open the bracket. So we have 2x squared plus 1 minus 4x squared over 2x squared plus 1 all squared. So we have 2x squared minus 4x squared, that's minus 2x squared over 2x squared plus 1 all squared. That is the answer. So let me solve another one, the second one. So the second question is y is equal to 2x plus 1 over 3x minus 2. So as usual, let u be equal to the function at the numerator and then v 3x minus 2. So du dx become, when you differentiate this, you get 2, and then dv dx is also 3. So by quotient rule, dy dx now becomes, that's v du over dx and then minus u dv dx over v squared. So let's make substitution. Our v is 3x minus 2 times du dx is 2 minus u is 2x plus 1, then dv dx is 3 divided by v squared. This is 3x minus 2 all squared. So dy dx then becomes, let's expand. So 2 times 3x, we have 6x minus 2 times 2, that's 4, then 3 times, that's minus 6x minus 3 over 3x minus 2 all squared. So we have 6x minus 6x minus 4 minus 3 over 3x minus 2 all squared. Now 6x minus 6x will go to 0. So we have minus 7 over 3x minus 2 all squared. Going back to the questions. Yes. So it's left with the third question. So I want you to try the third question and write your answer at the comment section. Viewers, thank you very much for watching this video. If you are watching me for the first time and you have not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button. You can also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a video, a new video, you'll be alerted wherever you are. Bye.